How to install Bluetooth drivers on your Windows 11 PC. Here's how. Before you begin, make sure your computer or laptop actually supports Bluetooth. Installing a Bluetooth driver won't enable Bluetooth on devices that don't have Bluetooth hardware. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Intel Bluetooth driver and press Enter. Open the Intel Bluetooth driver page from the official Intel website. Scroll down until you see the Available Downloads section. Click Download to get the latest Bluetooth driver. Accept the license agreement if prompted. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded setup file. If the user account control window appears, click Yes. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. Choose Typical Installation. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Finally, restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, you can pair your Bluetooth devices by opening Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, and turning Bluetooth on. That's it! You've successfully installed the latest Bluetooth driver on your Windows 11 PC. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Windows tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.